Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will share how you can create stick figure animations for your videos using Canva. So without wasting our time, let's get right into it. Alright, so create a blank video project in Canva, and in the elements describe what type of figure you want and hit generate. In a few seconds it will generate a picture just like this. Also, in the new tab, create a blank canvas and paste the image that we generated, and I'll tell you later in the video why we need this. Now to create the animation, click on edit. In the Magic Studio, select image to video. In the custom field, describe how you want to animate the image. This can take a few moments. We've got our animation which we can add to our canvas. We need to fix the background to match the video. For that, let's search for a shape. Move it to the background. Let's change the color using the color picker. Now the video is blended with our background. We can preview this. Now you want to create the next scene. For that, we will be needing this image so that the animation looks consistent. Just copy the image, paste it on the timeline. Now you can do the same thing we did to create a new scene. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.